boys. I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves, regularly washing your hands and maintaining proper hygiene, right? We are back again with your maths class. So today I'm going to start a new topic, that is put the correct sign. I hope you all have studied this before. This is greater than, lesser than and equal to sign. I know you all have previously studied that 7, for example 7 is greater than 4, right? If I say lesser than, 2 is lesser than 5 and equal to 6 is equal to 6. Now you must be wondering, how are these signs showing what is greater than and what is lesser than? So let me tell you, like when you make this sign, so there are 2 points here and 1 point here. So wherever there is an opening, this opening shows the greater value at its side, and this narrow side shows the lesser value at its side. So always remember that the opening, the mouth, like this is like a mouth. We open our mouth. Similarly, the sign is also opening its mouth, and where it is opening its mouth, that side of the number shows the greater number. For example, 7 is greater than 4. That is why this sign is put like this. Its mouth is open at the greater than side. Here 2 is lesser than 5. That means the narrow side is at 2 because it is smaller than or lesser than 5. And equal to is very simple, that both the sides the number are equal, that is same. Then we put this equal to sign. Now let's take another big examples. For example, a 2-digit number, 49. 49 is greater than 21. Yes? Right. Now lesser than 26 is lesser than 80. Right, boys? And if we say 76 is equals to 76. Right, boys? Now we are going to take 3-digit numbers. 146 is greater than 101. Right? You know numbers of till 5 digits. So in 3 digit, 146 is greater than 101. So this sign where the mouth is open, that side we will always write the greater than number. Again, another example, 566 is lesser than 859. This number is smaller than 859. Equal to, example for 3-digit number, 111 is equal to 111. It's quite simple, boys. You all have studied this, and I know you people can do this exercise very nicely and easily in your maths notebook. Let's take another example of a 4-digit number. For example, 7,236. 7,236 is a 4-digit number. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. This number is greater than 4,216. Right? When we talk about 4-digit number, you are seeing that 7 is greater. This 7 at the thousands place is greater than 4 at the thousands place. That means this whole number 7,236 is greater than 4,216. Right? Now another for lesser than 4-digit number, 2,608 is lesser than 9,561. See the thousands digit number 2, and here it is 9. So which one is smaller, 2 or 9? Yes, it is 2. Then this whole number 2608 this whole number will become smaller than or lesser than 9561. Right, boys? Again, if I give you 2461, here also 2461. So both these numbers having 4 digits, they are equal or not? Is there any difference? No. These numbers are equal. So this shows equal to example. Now the 5-digit number. Students, whatever I am explaining, that you need to just understand. Do not start copying this in your classwork copy. I'll give you exercise that you have to do in your classwork copy. Do not copy this work explanation part in your maths fair notebook. Okay, let's take another example of 5 digits number which you have in your course. For example, 76,108, and here I give you 54,209. So now you are seeing here it is written 76,108 and here it is 54,209. You have to compare these two numbers. So by which digit you will compare? You will see the 10,000 and thousands digit. You will see 76 and 54. So according to you, which number is greater, 76 or 54? Yes, 76 is greater than 54. That means this whole number 76,108 is greater than 54,209. Right, boys? If I give you another example, 12,109 and 15,702. So now in this example, 12,109 and 15,702. These are again 5 digits number having 1,000 and 10,000 digit. So you have to compare 12 and 15. Which one is greater, 12 or 15? Obviously 15 is greater than 12. So this whole number 15,702 becomes greater than 12,109. And similarly we can say that 12,109 is lesser than 15,702. Right, boys? Now another example, 38,666 and 38,666. Can you see these numbers? 38,666, 38,666. Both the sides the numbers are same. So which sign we will put? Equal to. We will put equal to sign because all the digits, both the sides are same. That means here it will be equal to. There is no comparison. We will not say any number is greater than or lesser than. The digits are same. That means we will write equal to sign between the numbers. So I hope you people are understanding. Right, boys? So I'll give you one exercise based on this topic. Put the correct sign, which will be quite easy. You have to do it under your parents' guidance neatly in your maths classwork copy. Okay, boys? Take care of yourselves. Be happy. Be safe. God bless you all.